Welcome! Today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches in screen recorder into XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021. First of all, open your settings and find additional settings. This one. Here we got screen recorder option, and then you scroll down, and on the bottom we got show touch gestures option. So this position of switcher is turn off, and click this turn off. And here we got another option, show button stops. So if this option show only touch gestures, and this option show touch gesture like buttons click. So if you want to click here to turn on this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.